How to fix login errors on Wells Fargo. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now, if you're having the login error problem, then here is what you can do to fix it. First thing first, you have to make sure that your Wells Fargo application is updated. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, simply type in Wells Fargo Mobile. This is the application that you should update. So in case you see update here, tap on update and update your app. Once done, for the second step, let's go ahead and open up our settings. Here, scroll all the way below, then tap on Apps. At this Apps section, you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Here, let's go ahead and search for Wells Fargo. Tap onto Wells Fargo. Scroll all the way below, tap on Storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your bank credentials, you might also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page. Tap on Force Stop, then OK. Likewise, under Defaults, tap on Set as Default. Untoggle this button that says Open Supported Links. Once it's all done, restart your device and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.